So class 6 IIT Maths, let's continue the topic polygons and triangles. In the previous class, we have discussed about polygons and triangles and classification of triangles. So let us recall once, then after we can go for the objective again. See once, yeah, please check it. Classification of triangles. So basically, we divide triangles into two categories, like according to sides and according to angles. Suppose according to sides, we will take like equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. And according to angles, acute, right, and obtuse. Okay, right angle triangle again we can take like isosceles right angle triangle and scalene right angle triangle. So then after classifying, and we define a Pythagoras theorem also. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. What does this Pythagoras theorem says? What is the use? Pythagoras theorem says according to the right angle triangle. Right? Actually, there is a big topic called trigonometry. You can see in the higher classes. So if angle B is 90 degrees, then the longest side AC is called hypotenuse. This is called base. This is called opposite. So what is the relation between this hypotenuse, base, and opposite? The square of hypotenuse. That means AC square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay. Next. So you can take it as B, you can take it as A, and you can take it as C. Let as B square is equal to C square plus A square, or A square plus A square is equal to B square. So only it is for right angle triangle. And we have checked Pythagorean triplets also. What are these Pythagorean triplets or triplets? Let us check. Pythagorean triplets. So if I take 3, 4, 5 as Pythagorean triplets, so I will write the biggest side 5 here, and 3 here, and 4 here. Then what it is? So 5 is the hypotenuse, and 3 and 4 are the other two sides. I apply this, and I will take it as ABC, and B is the 90 degrees. So this is B, this is C, this is A. B square is equal to A square plus C square. B square in the sense hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So 5 power 2 is equal to 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. This we will get 25, 25. Then what? Yes, exactly, it is a right angle triangle. 3 4 5. If I take 3 4 6, what is going to happen? Let me check. 6 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. 6 square value 36. 9 plus 16 is 25. It is false. Then what is going to happen? Okay, the statement is false. Then what? Yes. If we try to construct a right angle triangle by using these three measurements, suppose first I will draw this BC is 4 centimeters with compass, with the help of compass, some radius. First ruler. Then I will take an arc 3 centimeters. Okay. Then I will take with the center C. I will draw an arc 6 centimeters radius to cut the previous arc at where it cuts. So it cuts at A, right? It cuts at A. Then let us join this. So the triangle comes like this. Then what is our task? Angle B should be 90 degrees. But here angle B value, how much we got? Angle B, we don't get 90. Either greater than 90 we will get, or less than 90 we will get. So we don't get angle B 90. So these are not Pythagorean triplets. Likewise, we have checked some more triplets like 5, 12, and 13. Okay, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17, 12, 35, 17, like that. So let's take another case. So in this way, we talk about like classification of triangles about the right angle triangle. Now let us check some objective. Okay, some objective. I'll check out now what we have discussed on yesterday. Yeah, right. Yes. I think we have done up to question number 17 in the previous class, right? Okay, let's continue from 17th question. Continue from 17th question. So a triangle can have one right angle, one obtuse angle, two right angles, three acute angles. So multiples answer, yes, a triangle can have one right angle, it's right. A triangle can have one obtuse angle is also right. Two right angle is possible. Three acute in the sense less than 90. Yes, it is possible. Okay. A, C, D. Two right angles means what is going to happen? If I take angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is also 90 degrees. So I'm trying to construct a triangle. I'll try some measurement. Here angle A, I took 90 degrees. And here angle B, if I take angle B, 90 degrees. Will it come a triangle? 100% no, we get square. So that to right angle triangle is not possible because the sum of the angles should be 180 degrees. All the three angles should be 180. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. But here we are getting two angles sum is 180. So this is highly impossible. We can't do. The lengths of two sides of a triangle 4 and 5. The length of third side. So here, length of third side, if it is a right angle triangle, obviously length of third side will be 3 centimeters. And length of third side, sum of two sides is greater than third side. So this is 9 centimeters. Obviously, third side will be 8 centimeters or 7 centimeters or 6 centimeters like that. Okay. If it is right angle triangle, we will get 3 centimeters. And according to the angles, the triangles are classified into 3 types: acute, obtuse, and right. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 and 13. And the length of third side. If it is Pythagoras 12 and 13, obviously third side will be 5 centimeters because 5, 12, and 13 are Pythagorean triplets. So this is 25 centimeters. So then less than 25 centimeters, whichever it is possible. The length of one side of an equilateral triangle is 4 centimeters, length of other two sides. You know that in equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, and it is 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Equilateral triangle, yes, odd man out type. That means we shall bring out one option as a wrong option or not connected to other three. The following questions identify the options: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, obtuse angle triangle. See, equilateral triangle according to sides. But this is according to the angles. This is different than other three. Right angle, obtuse, scalene, acute. scaling according to the side, and these three according to the angles. And these are given like Pythagorean triplets. You can check Pythagorean triplets. This is Pythagorean triplet. This is not. This is yes. This is yes. So 3, 4, 6 is not a Pythagorean triplet. In an equal triangle, AB is equal to X, BC is equal to Y, CA is equal to Z. And obviously, X is equal to Y is equal to Z. Okay. Okay. Please check this objective. Just then we go to the next page. It's number 17 to 25. Just check it out. Then after 2 minutes, we'll go for the next objective. Okay, next objective. Yes. So in a triangle XYZ, XY is equal to 15 centimeters and 3YZ is 45, 4ZX is equal to 60. And the triangle is, so let's do it on a board, right? We need some board here. I'll take the board. Okay. I'll take next place. Yes, the question is like that. It is a triangle XYZ. So what is an XYZ? XY is 15 centimeters. 3YZ 45 centimeters. 4ZX 60 centimeters. Then what kind of triangle it is? So let us transpose 3. We will get 15 centimeters only. And 4 you can transpose. Here also 15 centimeters. So XY is 15 centimeters. YZ is 15 centimeters. ZX is 15 centimeters. If all the 3 sides are equal, what kind of triangle it is? Yes, this is a equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Next. Here is it. The right angle triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. No, because 90 degrees. Obtuse means greater than 90. Remember. In a right angle triangle, one acute angle is 30. What is the other acute angle? Let's do it. So here is a right angle triangle is given in the question. So 90 degrees. One acute angle is 30. What is the other acute angle? So right angle triangle in the sense, indirectly, it was given one angle 90. Let's add 30 plus 90. What is the total? 120. Subtract from 180. How much we will get here? 60 degrees. So other acute angle is equal to, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Right? Next. So answer is 60 degrees. If the triangle ABC is shown in the figure, then ABC is trans triangle. Yes, 79. 79 plus how much is 180? That is a supplementary angle. 180 minus 79, 101. This is 101 degrees. Okay? 101 degrees. At the same time, two sides are equal. So, isosceles obtuse angle triangle. It is isosceles is correct. Two sides equal. And also obtuse angle isosceles. Yes. So isosceles is correct. Two sides equal. But obtuse angle is also there, no? So obtuse angle isosceles. So exact answer is C. Which of the following is a Pythagorean triplet? 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. This also, this also. Because if you take the big number square, you will get the small sum of small two numbers squares. Okay, just check it out. Right. And seventh question, angle 2. So here the total is equal to 180. Then angle 1 is how much? 70 degrees. The total is equal to 180. Angle 3 is equal to 40. So angle 1 is equal to 70. Angle 3 is equal to 40. Then what is the value of angle 2? Angle 2 is equal to 70 degrees. 70 plus 40 is 110. 180 minus 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degrees. Next question. A triangle in which one of the angles is 90 degrees, call a right angle. Right angle triangle opposite to the hypotenuse is right angle. So both the statements are true. Both the statements are true. Okay. So just check it out. Question number 26. 26 to 32. Please check it. 26 to 32. Next, we shall go to the next one. So this session reasoning will be, you can check it as in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Correct. This is also AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Let us check. If your angle A is 90, here B, here C come. Okay. So what is the hypotenuse? BC is the hypotenuse. So angle A is 90 is wrong. So of statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Next, the length of the hypotenuse whose lengths of its sides are 6 and 6 root 2. So let us take a right angle triangle here. So 6 and 6 root 2. We will take under root 6 square plus 6 root 2 whole square. Okay, 6 square is 36. 36 to 72, 108 under root 108. The length of hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle is root 2 times the side's length. Length of hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle. So here, isosceles right angle triangle means two sides are equal, right? Root 2 times of its length, right? It's false. The right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is one of the greatest length. Yes, correct. Right angle triangle, the length of the side opposite to the greater angle is greater. Length is greater, yes. That is right angle triangle hypotenuse. Okay, both are correct. And yeah, you can see this and you can try this. Next, yes, next one I will go. Page 10. So here some ratio is given 2 is to 3 is to 5. So how does the sides will be? How does the angles will be? Let us check this. 2, 3, 5. I'll take the 2. The ratio of sides of the triangle. A, or else I will take sides are given, angles are given. Angles are given. Angle A is to angle B is to angle C is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. 2 is to 3 is to 5. So that I will take it as angle A 2x, 3x, 5x. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is how much according to sum of angles in a triangle? 180 degrees. 2x plus 3x plus 5x is equal to 180. 5 plus 5, 10x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 degrees under 10. X is equal to 80 degrees. Then angle A is equal to 2 into 18. Angle B is equal to 3 into 18. Angle C is equal to 5 into 18. Here 36, 48, and 90. $54. Okay. So total 180 we should get. Here options are the greatest side. First I will draw the triangle ABC. Angle A is 2x, means 36. Angle B is 54. 54 is 3x. Angle C is 5x, is 90 degrees. So here ask greatest side, greatest angle opposite. AB is the greatest side. This is the big side. And small side obviously BC, the smallest side. So descending order of the lengths. The descending order of the lengths means obviously AC is the bigger one, AB is next, or else you can take AB, AC, and BC because AB is the long. AB, AC, BC. Okay. Now let us open that options. We will go for the objective. Please check this. Okay, no? So if you understand this, please try it. Next 40. So calculate the following matching. Here x, y, 36. Here it is given like this in the sense these two are equal. Okay. Here they give x, y, but I will take x, x only. Both are same. 2x plus 36 is equal to 180. Is equal to 180 minus 36. How much will you get? 7 minus 3. 4, 144 upon 2, 72. Both are 72. Okay, now please check it once again. Here, to make us confused, they gave x and y, but actually both are x. How should I know? They said AC is equal to BC. So opposite angles are equal now. Angle A is equal to angle B. That means x is equal to y. Like that we have to take. Right? Hope we have followed. And next, here two sides, two angles equal. Two angles means this is the opposite side, this is equal, and this is equal. Then x is how much? Yes, 14. the length of x is 14. They did not give you 14 degrees, they gave you actually 14 units, that is. Okay. Next. And you can try this I'm giving 5 minutes time. Just you can try it and then I will tell you. Please try it. The third answer is 20, 15. This is the right angle triangle. You can take 20 square plus 15 square, 400 plus 225, 625. 625 is 25 square. So answer is 25. X is 25. And then fourth one, with the vertical opposite angles, this is 65 degrees. 68 plus 65 is 133. 180 minus 133. 7, 47. It is 47. Yes, 47. And y is equal to 115 because y plus 65 is equal to 180. It is a linear pair or straight angle. Y is equal to 180 minus 65. We will get 115. Okay. Like this we can do. And the next page object once we'll check. And 2 more pages are there. Hope you please try it as homework, and in the next class we are going to do this solve. These are like little advanced. Please check it. In the next class we are going to do all these sums. Right. So triangles and polygons, and triangles, so little more object we have. We'll complete in the next class, and then polygons we will go. Right. So we shall continue in the next class, the same objective. Okay. Thank you.